Hello, welcome in the how to trade sports on Binance. Now, I'll just do a rush down because I've had people asking me on how to trade sports and how to place order, how to do this, how to do that, and especially futures also. So this is going to be a comprehensive uh, video on how to trade sports. Now, this is the Binance app, and this is my Bona account. So I'll just use this account to show you some certain things. Although we'll see how it's going to go. So this is Binance and how Binance looks and everything that has to do with Binance. So here we can see coins. You can see your favorite coins, coins that you made your favorite. Now, how do you make coin a favorite? You see this star icon here. You can just use that star icon. You can use the star icon. You can use the star icon to make them your favorite. Now, what are we looking at trying to see here? Looking at a chart like this. Now, and this part tells you about the trade, a pair you are trading that is you're currently looking at, and this is Solana pair, Solana and USDT pair. Now, that's that. Here we have the price of the coin. That's what we're seeing now. Then we also have we also have uh, the trading info, the coin info, trading data, and this part, this square here, this is square. The square here tells you about news regarding the coins and every other coins are there out there. Square. Now that's all you need to know. Now, when you look at this box here, this box shows you it's for you to use to compare charts between different coins. Now, let me give an example of what I mean by comparing charts. Let me give you an example. I click on it, I'll see multiple charts. Now, over here, I have multiple charts running at the same time. Like I'm looking at the chart and comparing them to each other. So basically, I use BTC to compare other coins that I am probably looking at or probably speculating. If you look at the coins, you notice something here that Bitcoin always anytime Bitcoin does something, anytime Bitcoin does a move, anytime Bitcoin does the move, other coin follow suit. Like that, other coin follow suit. Once Bitcoin does a move, other coin follow suit. Even this Solana, you see it in Solana here, Bitcoin here, Ethereum here, and the other consolidation, you see them because Bitcoin is like the main ticker, the main uh the main head of the market. Now that is that for that. Now I'm going back. That is comparing charts. Then what else again is here to look at? You're looking at candle time frames. Like you see the price of the coin. Although I shifted mine to Naira so you can see Naira equivalent of the coin. Now you see 24 hours high. That is in 24 hours, the highest the coin has gone in 24 hours. You can see the volume of the coin, the trading volume of the coin in 24 hours. So in 24 hours, that coin, $5.3 million of that coin have been traded. What else again? You see 24 hours volume of the coin, 478 million vo- um okay, 478 million USDT dollar has been traded in 24 hours. Why 5.2 million Solana has been traded in 24 hours. In 24 hours, the lowest it has gone is $87, and the highest it has gone 24 hours is $94 point 95 cents. And that's that for that. Now, what else again here? You see, these ones are not really important. They are just news popping up telling you about markets, how the market. So you can go ahead and cancel it. Yeah, you can cancel it. You can enable or disable. So I've cancelled it. Okay. So aside this, what else are you looking at here? What else are you looking at here? You are looking at now let's look at these ones, this time a time here and this. These are time frames that tells you about what each candle is doing. Let me explain it better. Now let me stretch this. Because we are in 1 hour here, you see that it's ticked out. It means that this candle, each candle you see here, tells you about how the market performed in 1 hour. This tells you about how the market performed in 1 hour. When you see the red candle, you know that the market lost, like the market closed at a loss for that day. And when you see a green candle, it means the market closed at a gain for that day. Now let me explain further. Let me just do some small explanation. Now, when you see a red candle, it means the market opened at the top and went down here, right? And still went back to this point and closed at this point. So basically, the market opened. If you check here now, click on the coin. The market opened at, you see the market opened at 91.21 dollar. The highest it went was the highest it went was the highest it went was 91.26, and the lowest was 87.04. Then it closed at 88.42, right? So in general, it tells you again something again that the um the market change in percent means in that for that 1 hour, the market went by 3.5%, 3.05%. That's what the market lost. You know, that was the market lost, and it lost 2.7 cents in between. So it lost in percentage. The market closed at a 3% loss that day. Now, when you see a green candle, it tells you the opposite of it. It means the market opened at the bottom. It means the market opened at the bottom. The market opened at the bottom and closed at the top. At the top. So it opened here and closed here. So say the market, if you check this coin now, you see something here. The opening was 88.41 and the closing was 91.42. That was a gain of 3.39%, right? Tells you about it. Now, that's what the candle tells you about. Now, the candles is very, very, very important. It's very important because it tells you the details of how the market has been going. When you see the red, it tells you that the market is going downside. And when you see the green, it means the market is going towards the positive side, like it's going up to the positive side. Currently, this market is going down, right? But from what you can see, I can't really tell. But what you can see, the market actually is, although we come to that later, the market like actually closing at a loss, but the buyers are pushing this price up, trying to close this market at a profit. But let's see how it goes. Now, what else are we looking at here again? Now, each particular, every particular time frame tells you something special about the market. Like this is 15 minutes. If I click 15 minutes, it will change. 15 minutes, it changes. And it tells you, each candle tells you about what's happening in the market in 15 minutes, for 15 minutes, in 15 minutes. So each candle represents market summary in 15 minutes. Here, market summary in 4 hours, in 1 hour. Here, market summary in 4 hours. Each candle 4 hours. Here, market summary in 1 day. So day by day shows you market summary for days, right? For days, for days. Okay, okay. So for days, then you have more here. More tells you give other. You have 3 days. You have 1 week, 1 month. You can see 1 week here, 1 month, 8 hours, 6 hours, depending on how you want to analyze the market and your own trading strategy for the markets. So depending, you pick what you want. If you want to check the market in 1 month, it tells you about Solana price in 1 month. So in 1 month, I think Solana at a particular time is all-time high is the all-time high, the highest Solana has gotten is $259, and the lowest has gotten is $1.0, and currently now is at 0. It has 0.80, okay, 90.92 or $93. Hmm? So this is it. All the lowest has gone since Solana came into existence, the highest it has gone, and the current price. So far we see Solana trying to rally up back to see if it can close above its all-time high. Yeah, it's this price comes for 142. Okay, you're trying to see it's trying to go back and close all these gaps you are seeing here. That's good. Well, that's that for Solana. That's that for that. Now the depth tells you something different. It tells you about the bids, the buyers, and the sellers. They have much volume of people that are buying than those that are selling. You get? So bid, the buy, ask, sell. You have more people bidding than you have more people selling. You get? This tells you about this. This if you click on this time here, if you click on this time here, it will take you down to click on it to give us a K line chart, like you have lines instead of a bar chart. So you can, you know, change them to bar chart from the line using this part. Okay. Now what else are we seeing here? Now there's a button here. There's a button here. What does this button here? Anytime you see um an interface that has to do with you see this round something that's in between the three line, that's beneath the three line, it shows setting. So it means that thing is telling you about something, you're setting something. Well, what exactly are we setting? You're setting, let's go find out. You're setting the chart, what you want to see in the chart. You have tutorials, you have indicators, tells you want to know, you want to do set your indicators, you have drawings, you have dates, you have styles, you have tutorials, you have more. We have things you want to see, other this one's other display. Other display, you want to see open order, you want to see order history, you want to see average cost, and you can choose the average cost you want to see. Right, you can choose this 183 days. Now you also have the countdown, chart display, bid ask, percentage view. Now, I don't know if you can do all this now, but let's see. Okay, let's see what can I do. There's also more here. See this one, I can change this one to 60 days, 90 days. I can see, I can check it there. Okay, so we have those stuff there. Average cost, we have order history, we have open order, we have order. These are order open order, but there's no open order, Mike. There's no open order here. All right, so let's continue. What else are we seeing here? I'm seeing this sign here, and anytime you see a two arrows going opposite direction, it's trying to show you, trying to tell you that this is talking about expansion. So when you click on that button, when you click on the button, you see the chart expanding landscape, so you can see wide and far. You can analyze your chart from like this. You get okay. So even one week, you can analyze your chart this way. So these are just ways you can change. Then if I go back and click the other end of it here, if I click the other end of it here, if I click that other end, it will go back to the two arrows coming back together to come back to normal. What else again here? Now, under this side, we see what we call indicators. They are indicators that used to tell us to explain the market for us, or tell us, give us different details on the market, on the charts. So, I'll probably we go back to that later. So we have AVL, you have the volume. The volume tells you about the volumes coming in. You have the MACD. The MACD is moving average, convergence, divergence. Though those are big English, I don't want to go into now. You have the RSI, relative stochastic index. You have the KJV. So different, you have different of them here, and all of them plays different rules and tells us different, give us different information about the market, how the market is doing. Right? So that's that. Now under info here, this info here, see this info here. Under info here, if you go there, it tells you about the coin, name of the coin. Solana tells you about the coin, the rank in coin market cap. In cryptocurrencies, the rank it is. What rank is Solana? They say it's ranked number 5 in the entire market cap. So The market cap of Solana is $39.4 billion. That is in money that is in market in that is in Solana right now. We have the fully diluted market dominance 2.4. We have circulating supply. How many Solana is out there? Total number of Solana that we can have. The all-time price, the highest price has gone to 60, and the all-time low, which is 0.5. So, so we see those ones here. Then we have its official website, white paper that tells you about the coins. We have block explorer that tells you about transaction going on there. What else are we seeing here? Introduction of the coin, and that's it. So going back here, price. Um, this tells you about the coin performance. Today it has lost 2.3%. In 7 days it has done only 1%, and in 30 days it has done 11%. In 90 days 207%. In 180 days 270%. And for one in the past 1 year it has done 326% increase. Meaning if you had bought this coin for $100 last year or a year ago, 1 year ago, like 365 days ago, you have been in profit of at least times three of your money. So that's 3.5, something like that. 3.25. So basically, that is what it is here. Um, Now, this other part, the bid and the ask, very important. Very, very important. Now, let me go somewhere. Let's go look at this first before we go anywhere. Let's check this. Let's check this out. More, alert, margin, grind. Right? Let's go more. More tells you about other things you want to see. You want to compare market. We've already talked about comparing markets the other time. Currency, I put it in naira. I can change it to dollar, US dollar. So I can see my money in USDT, in USD. So no longer, you will see no longer, let's see. Instead of seeing those nairas, we are seeing trillion, we are seeing dollars now. So that is that. Then what else again? Okay, another more. We have currencies of changes, multiple changes on it. So to see changes in percentage as the market keeps going. And what it means is if you check this beside, you see minus 2 points, minus 5.18%. Those are the multiple changes in percentage you get. That's because it's not on. Now we have two types of charts here. We have the original and we have the trading view. This trading view is a more uh, more complex chart than the normal chart you are using. Are you seeing the chart now? It's more complex. It incorporates trading view. Trading view is a platform on its own that works on they basically deal with charts and how to interpret charts. So it's a app on its own, but Binance integrated it into their own platform too. I think it's a cooperation between both of them. So you can use TradingView if you want to use it. Now, when I started using TradingView, my problem was on how to stretch TradingView because there was no stretch anywhere in TradingView. I could not see stretch uh like um like I could not see stretch like I could see in the normal chart. I could not see stretch, and so it was giving me issues. It was giving me issues. So, but when I come to this setting here, I could now see horizontal, and this was like one of the best discovery of all time for me at that time. So this now gives me better view of the market. Gives me a better view of the market. This is for 1 week, so I can change the 1 week. I can change the 1 week to 1 day. I can change the 1 week to 1 day. I can just better look at it like this. Stretch it from here. Stretch it by just dragging these two sides together. You see what I did here? As if I'm stretching these two sides. Stretch it and zoom it like this, bring it closer, stretch it. So you see the market very well. You see? So I think I like trading view, just that sometimes it's always giving me headache in terms of delays in network. I think from my own network side. So we go there, I can still turn it to the original from chat mode. Color preference. For most people, you will see this. I like using the other part of it, but this is what you see most people, the red and green. Hmm? But I like using different. So under that, you see what else are we seeing here again? Appearance, dark, not light, like the white one you see in many people's phone. This is theme. They call it theme, right? Yeah, app theme and stuff. And what else again? We have the chat height, the height of the chat. I can decide to, decide to make it how whatever it is you want it to make it, and sub chats. This one's it's in those things under exactly. So you can do anything you want to do with it. Now let's go to alerts. Now alerts are good. You can use and place orders. I want to add alerts in case you are trading and you want to say when you want to know when Solana gets to $98 and you just click on it. You have frequency, only once a day, always, and so on and so forth. You could please create an alert and it notifies you anytime Solana gets to 98. So that's basically it. What else again? You have the margin, you have the grind, and so on and so forth. I don't want us to go into those things. Those are margin trade. I want us to stick to sports. Let's just remain on sports. Okay. This is where we are. Okay. Let me change it back to Solana so we know where we are. Okay. Basically now this is where we are, right? What else is here again? You have to buy. You click on the buy, right? You click on this here, the buy or the sell. Anywhere you click. So I click the buy, it will have this interface here. Inside the buy, you also have the sell and the buy, depending on where you want to go to. I can go to sell, I have this. I want to go to buy, I have this, right? Now this tells you bid. People are pricing Solana for 91.20 and people are buying it at 91.15. So this is buy and this is sell. Those that are selling and those that are buying. So if you want to buy now, you place an order. Your order will be reflecting at this side of the market until it ticks here. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, your order reflects here until you get a buyer for it. So basically, that's just buy and sell. The bidders are those that are asking I want to buy, while the acts no bidders are those that want to sell, and the acts are those that want to. The bidders are those that want to buy, and acts are those that want to sell. Basically, now how do I trade? How do I buy a coin in sports? Let me go to home. I need the coin to buy a coin, and they asked me to go and buy a coin. They say I should buy, see, I should buy BTC, Bitcoin. I'll just go and write Bitcoin. If I'll write BTC because it's the ticker, BTC, and I'll check. I'm saying, be careful what you're doing. This is BTC USDT. It means you're giving BTC. You're giving USDT for BTC. Yeah, you're giving BTC for USDT. This is BTC FDUSD. Means you're giving BTC for FDUSD. It's a stable coin. And this is BTC TUSD. So there are different BTC you see. So pick the one you want and just click on it. I need USDT. So I'll just go here. I'll go to buy since it's Bitcoin. I also want to buy Bitcoin at this price. You see this price here. Eh? Basically, I do like you going to change this stuff here. Change it to market. If you want to buy it at the current market, you click to market. And you can buy it at this current price. You can that is the market price. That's why you see a market price. And this is the current market price now, right? You can ask I want to buy USDT, right? This is USDT here, so dollar. You want to buy $500 of BTC, and I create my buy. But there's no money here, so they ask me to fund. So you create your buy and you buy, right? Now say I want to buy BTC at a lower price. Like I don't want it to buy it at this price, I want to buy it lower. I will go to here and change it to, and I will change it to limit. And I'll say, I will not change this price. I use this price, I will change it. I will now say buy BTC at 38,500. That's the price I want to buy. Then amount of BTC I want to buy. I will just, is it 25% of my portfolio, 50% of my portfolio, or 75% of my portfolio, or 100% of my portfolio. So you have according to your portfolio. If you don't know, you can put total USDT 500. Remember, this is BTC. So if you search for BTC, you don't know the equivalent. So just put total USDT. Use total USDT. Total USDT. Don't use your BTC. So come here and pick. I want to buy $500 of it. You give it the amount in Bitcoin. Then you place your buy order. Right? And if you want to sell, you can go say, I want to sell Bitcoin, not at this price. I want to sell it when Bitcoin get to 44,000. I'll set, I might do USDT on, I want to sell it at this price. And you sell. But if you want to sell at the current market price, you go to this limit, change it to market. It will sell at the current market price for you. You can change this to BTC to USDT. So you know the price. You can change current price and it will sell it for you. Right? Now, the other things you are seeing here, AST fees, and this is your trading fee. Your trading fee, you pay 0.37%, and $0.37 for the transaction. What else is here again? Hmm? Now, when you place the transaction and the transaction and the transaction and let go, you will see open order. Right? That's where it says open order. Now the spot grid is for something as grid traders. Those are traded bots and holdings, coins that you are holding, currently holding, right? Coins that you are holding now, it shows you here under holdings. You have open order. So I think I'm seeing mantra here. I think mantra found itself. It's here under holding. Okay, so basically that's that for that. If there's any other question, so let's say someone did not give you they say go to Binance, buy Ethereum ETH, buy Ethereum for, and make sure if someone's telling you something, just if you type Ethereum, if you don't know how to, if you don't know which one is Ethereum, just come and type Ethereum, right? Ethereum, like you see it here, right? Just click on it. Just make sure you get it. You see it here, ETH, that's Ethereum for you, right? ETC, that's Ethereum Classic. But this is ETH Ethereum. So you see it here, even if you don't know the name. Now make sure you are swapping for USDT, not any other thing. Okay, that's a stable coin that we all most kind of use. All those are stable coins also, right? So just click on it and say you should buy it for like at a certain amount of price. So buy it at a certain amount of price. So you can go click on buy, go to the price limit, put the price the person asks you to buy, and buy amount of total amount of ETH that you buy. Click on buy it, and that's how you do. I want to sell, you do the same thing. Limit, put your price and sell. So that's that for that.